and welcome. The year 2011 began with the launch of the NDTV Coca-Cola Support My School campaign. This campaign aims towards creating a happy, healthy environment in schools in rural and semi-urban India so that children remain in schools. All through the year, the campaign has worked towards providing children the future they truly deserve. The cause being clean drinking water, proper sanitation and playground facilities. Well, this touched a chord. In September, our 12-hour telethon raised funds close to 7 crore rupees. A big thank you to all of you who donated generously. Well, now 140 schools are going to be transformed.
So our effort today to raise enough money to be able to provide those facilities to at least 100 schools.
Savere, savere, यारों से मिलने बंधन के निकले हम, रोके से ना रुके हम, मर्जी से चले हम, बादल सा गरजे हम, सावन सा बरसे हम, सूरज सा चमके हम, स्कूल चले हम, स्कूल चले हम.
With me today, two gentlemen who have made this all possible. Coca-Cola's Mr. Atul Singh, NDTV's Dr. Prannoy Roy. So good to have you both on our show, and thank you very, very much for being here.
Good to be here.
Well, we're standing right outside the secondary government school, the only government school in Jhoonpur village. This is a remote area in Sonipat. And in fact, this was the school which was dedicated on the 24th of January in 2011 when we launched our Support My School campaign. So now we're revisiting the school because it's been a year, exactly a year since the work under this project has been implemented in the school, and now we are seeing results. Dr. Roy, if I could start with you. We have seen the changes that have come about here. We felt the impact, but it's also very important for us to showcase this impact and share this with all our viewers.
Yeah, I think it's important for viewers to realize how their money is being spent.
Absolutely.
And I think this is just one example of many that we've done where, for example, the highlight of this school was no toilets for girls at all.
Absolutely.
And we'll see that that's now been done, and lots more has been done. So we just like to show to everybody that their money is being well used.
Absolutely. And Mr. Singh, yes, the kind of impact that this campaign has had, it was your brainchild. Did you ever expect the way we touched a chord, the way people just came out, overwhelming response that this campaign got?
No, absolutely. I mean, we didn't expect such an overwhelming response. We did know we were touching a chord. We knew there was a need. But I think the citizens of India, came out supporting us, especially the telethon, 50 rupee contributions, 100 rupee contributions. So there were hundreds and thousands of people came out, and it's really reassuring for us. And this is something we want to continue. And
the huge development that has taken place now, Dr. Roy, is that Tata Teleservices has also come on board, and now they're going to be computer centers as well at these schools.
Yeah, we've got a great number of partners who've come out. The Pearson Foundation has come out with libraries, the Tata Teleservices with internet connections and computers. So it's really reassuring to us, and we are the facilitators that started it all, but it's great to see a lot more partners coming.
Wonderful. So let's move towards the school. Just wanted to ask you, Dr. Roy, school years, very important phase in a child's life.
Yeah, actually, it's you're touching a chord, as Atul said. My old school teachers have written to me saying they are so impressed by this campaign. So that really made me feel great because everybody seems to be following. It has caught people's imaginations.
It has.
It really has.
This has become a role model for the other schools in the vicinity, and it's a hugely, hugely popular school here now.
Yeah, actually what's interesting, Atul, as you were saying that, telling me earlier that just starting something here and the whole community has got involved.
Yes, yes.
So it's more kids have got enrolled and they've got involved.
125 more schools here, children here today.
125 more people have enrolled.
Yes, after the development that's happened here.
So if they see something good happening, they get involved.
Absolutely. So a warm welcome now.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.